Hello there and welcome once again to this video. My name is Jackie Empowers Ngomesia, and today we're going to be looking at the different LurraLife packages. To tell you the truth, I have never seen a company with so many packages. They've given us a variety of things to choose from, and not only that, they are very, very affordable. Anyone can come in with as little as $14.95. You can become a distributor of LurraLife. So without further ado, let us quickly take a look at the different LurraLife packages. Now, when you decide to become a distributor, these are the different packages you're going to see on the website. We have the car bonus 1 month supply of Thrive, the 1 month supply of tea, and we have the 2 ounces of the O2 drops. Here it is for only $89.90. Now the tea is a month supply, the Thrive is a month supply, and the 2 ounces of the O2 drops is also a month supply. So we're talking about 3 products for only $89.90. For those of you who are in Africa, you just want to use the currency converter to convert this package into your currency, be it the South African rand or the Namibian dollars or the Zambian kwacha, the Cote d'Ivoire CFA, France CFA. So you just want to use, it's pretty easy. Just go to Google and convert this amount into your currency. And let's take a look at the second one. We have the car bonus pack, 10 bottles of the O2 Freedom sample credits. So basically what happens, I came to find out that this particular package, you really don't get to receive the O2 drops, but it looks like they're talking about it. But actually what happens is the company gives you 10 credits to give out free samples of our products to your prospective customers or distributors. So like I said, when I saw this, I thought it had to do with physical products. No, they are credits. They give you sample credits, so they credit your account with 10 credits, and then they give you a marketing system, a link whereby you can promote the free samples. Again, it can be a little bit overwhelming in terms of so much information, but if you're in Africa, don't even worry about this, because LurraLife does not do free freedom sample credits out of the US. So again, if you're in Africa, don't worry about this particular package right here. The third package is Dr. Miller's Detox Tea Car Bonus Leader Pack, 50 packs. Now, leaders go big. You want to start a business, you have got to buy enough inventory. Even for those of you in Africa, you really want to hit hard, you want to go all in and buy packages like this. This package comes with 50 packs of tea. That will take out the worry in your business, where buyer have distributors or business partners in Africa who are always running out of inventory of the tea, and they have to keep ordering every month and waiting for it to clear at the customs. So if you are really in business and you have the money, you want to look at packages like this. Plus, it's going to come with more products and more profit, of course, if you have to compare it with the 4-week supply of tea. So this package is the 50 packs for $497. Again, you want to convert this into your currency in Africa. That's a very good package for people who are go-getters. The next pack is the Dr. Miller's Detox Tea Carbonose pack, the buy two get one free. This is my favorite package for Africans. If you watch one of my previous videos, I strongly recommend this package for all Africans. So this package, you buy two and you get one free. So this is $79.90. Again, convert that into your currency. You're in Africa. This is a no-brainer right here. The money is right here. And of course, the money is in these big packages. Yep, when you see packages like this, there's a lot of profit. The profit margin is quite high. The next package is the Thrive Carbonose, the 4 packs with 15 servings each. So this package is the Thrive. You all know what the Thrive is. If you don't know, you can check out our website or other videos on YouTube on the Thrive. I will also be doing product reviews in the coming weeks. But this is the package that comes with 4 packs of 15 servings of Thrive. So 15 servings means there are 15 sachets in here. So this is a 60-day supply for $89.90. Again, you can convert that into your currency. The next pack is the O2 Carbonose pack, the buy two get one free. And it has a call center pin and an upgraded online system. This is another good one for those of you who are selling the O2 and you have customers who love it. The buy two get one free. Again, it's a good deal for $79.90. Anything that you see buy two get one free, you want to go for it. And then we have the O2 drops, and the call center pin for this pack, it goes for $39.95. And it is the 2 ounces, of course, is the bigger bottle. Then we have this other package, the O2 drops, the 2 ounces, and it also comes with the 20 internet surveyed leads. This is also a good one because a lot of people who love marketing tools will like to buy the leads, especially in the US. These are US leads. And so I will not even recommend this for anyone in Africa. I'm going to do a separate video just for those in Africa for the packages and the cost in their currency so that they know what to get. But I just thought I should do a general overview of everything that LurraLife has to offer. The next one is the next package is the O2 drops, the 2 ounces, the 50 postcards, and the 50 leads. Again, this is one of the packages that I really love because I love automated systems. I love things that I can do and let it run on its own. And so when they send you the 50 postcards, they also send you 50 leads. You just have to get a stamp and mail those cards out. I love it. I love it. I love the system. The next package is the O2 drops, 4 pack of the 15 ml bottles. These are the smaller bottles. They're the 0.5 ounce. So it goes for $49.95. The next one is the O2 drops, the 6 pack, the small bottles again, the 15 ml. The 6 packs, the 6 bottles go for $59.95. We also have some products that are not really talked. We don't hear much about them. We don't talk much about them. Which are really good. The Daybreak capsules, 30 capsules. I take this. It helps me with energy and clarity in the morning. The Daybreak is it helps with memory enhancement. It boosts your energy as well. It goes for $44.95. The next one is the Nightfall 37 savings, and this is the one that helps you go to bed and helps you with sleep, so you can have a restful night. It goes for $59.95. And then we have the combo pack of the Daybreak and Nightfall that goes for $99.95. And then we have a 130 cut box of Daybreak and 5 Daybreak sample credits. Again, when you hear credits, just know anything that has credit attached to it, it has to do with distributors in the US only. So I don't recommend this for anyone in Africa, but again, it goes for $94.95. The Daybreak 20 blueprint 10 Daybreak samples with drop cards, marketing tools, it goes for $14.95. The next one is the O2 drops with the $20 blueprint marketing tool. It goes for $14.95. We have the Tribe. These are all products that you can use with the marketing tools that they give you to get more leads, get more customers, and get more distributors. It goes for $14.95. We have the combo pack, O2 drops and Tribe 1 month supply. That goes for $99.95. We have the Tribe Lifestyle Pack, Cruise Vacation. When you buy this, I think they have, you may enter to win this. I'm not very sure. I have to confirm that. But it's a Tribe Lifestyle Pack. It comes with the Daybreak, the Nightfall, the O2, and the Tribe for $129.95. We have the combo pack Daybreak and the Tribe. It comes with, I think, a month supply. It goes for $97.95. We have our famous Dr. Miller's Detox Tea 4 packs, 1 month supply. It goes for $39.95. And then we have a week supply of the tea that goes for $14.95. This is the one that some people will use to register to join the business with, because they want to log their spot for only $14.95, and then later on they buy more products. So this is a company like no other. With $14.95 you can literally start your business. We have the Thrive 2 packs, 15 servings, that go for $49.95, and those are the different packages. You can pause this video, you can rewatch it to see the different packages that we have. You can convert these currencies into your own currency. And like I said, for Africa, for those who are in Africa, I will be doing a separate video to help you focus on the products that you really need, products that really apply to your market, and products that you can really make a lot of money from. Thank you so much for your time. It was a little bit long, and all the best. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.